Hello everyone, welcome in class 11th, the fundamentals of human geography. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 3, interior of the earth, volcanic landforms. Today we will discuss the topic volcanic landforms, learning outcomes. In this topic we will discuss the various intrusive landforms of volcano. To understand the various types of volcanic landforms. Volcanic landforms are divided into two parts, extrusive landforms and extrusive landform. Extrusive landform are those landforms which are formed on the earth's surface. Extrusive means on the earth's surface, outside the earth. Intrusive landforms means inside the earth, within earth. When magma comes on the earth's surface and cools down, it becomes solid. Then it gives rise to the extrusive landforms. Extrusive landforms are further divided into fissure type and explosive type. Intrusive landforms are batholith, laccolith, etc. These landforms are occurred inside the earth. One by one, we will discuss all the intrusive volcanic landforms. The various intrusive volcanic landforms are batholith, laccolith, phacolith, lopoliths, sill and sheet, and last one is dikes. So first one is batholith. Batholith are largest intrusive forms made by the solidification of the molten lava within the earth. This is usually hundreds of kilometers. It may be 50 to 80 kilometers wide. The Idaho batholith of the USA spread over 40,000 square kilometers. Batholiths are large magmatic materials. They are dome shaped. And they have the steep sides. The upper surface of the batholiths are uneven. They are usually formed from the granite. These batholiths are only appear on the earth after removal of overlaying material. Means we can see these batholiths on the earth's surface when the overlaying material is removed by the erosional agents. Batholiths are dome shaped. Even their base level is very difficult to reach. Next one is laccoliths. Laccoliths are similar to the batholiths, but they are connected with a pipe. These are resembles the surface volcanic domes of the composite volcanoes. Examples of laccoliths are the Karnataka plateau. This plateau is supported with the domal sills of granite rocks. We can see here laccolith is similar to the batholith, but these are connected with a pipe. Next one is lapolith. Lapolith means when magma solidifies in saucer shape. And lapolith is formed. For example, South America has many lapoliths. When magma inside the earth deposit in the form of saucer. This is called the lapolith. Next one is phacoliths. Phacolith means when magma is deposited in the wave-like form. When magma deposit in the wave-like form, it is called phacolith. This part of the wave is called anticline, and this part of the wave is called the syncline. When magma deposit in the anticlines and syncline, this is called the phacoliths. Next one is sill and sheet. So first one is sill. Sill is formed when magma solidifies in parallel layers. Its thickness varies from 1 meter to several hundred meters. Sill are formed in Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. Here we can see the example of sill. This is sill. Next one is sheet. When sill with less than 1 meter thickness is called the sheet. When sill has a less thickness, it's called a sheet. And the last one is dikes. When the lava makes its way through cracks and the fissures develop on the land, it solidifies almost perpendicular to the ground. It gets cooled in the same position to develop a wall-like structure. Such structures are called the dikes. Various dikes are found in western Maharashtra area. These are the various landforms of volcano which are formed inside the earth. In this video we have learned various intrusive volcanic landforms: batholith, laccoliths, phacoliths, lopoliths, and sill and sheet, and last one is dikes. Now your turn. What do you understand by intrusive forms? Briefly describe various intrusive forms. Forms means landforms. Intrusive landforms are those landforms which are formed inside the earth. When magma cools down within the earth's surface and becomes solid, it gives rise to the various landforms. Some examples are batholith, laccolith, phacolith, sill and dike, and last one is dikes. Next question is define the terms lapoliths and laccoliths. So what is the difference between the lapoliths and laccoliths? Lapolith means when magma deposit in the form of saucer shape. When saucer shape में लावा डिपॉजिट होता है तो उसको हम लोग लेपोलिथ्स कहते हैं. एंड व्हेन लावा डिपॉजिट इन डोम शेप व्हाट इट कनेक्टेड विद ए पाइप, दिस इज कॉल्ड द laccoliths. So here is the main difference between the lapolith and laccolith is the shape of the lava. Next one is define the term phacoliths. What is phacolith? Phacolith means when magma deposit in the form of wave. When it deposit in anticline and syncline of the wave, this is called the phacolith. This is all about this chapter. Thank you very much.